Did you know you can create a UK TikTok account right here in Nigeria without needing a VPN or a UK number to create this TikTok account? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Financial Emmy, and all I do is make research of legit and easiest ways to make money using AI. Explore free AI website and give you reviews on free making money apps and how to use them. Do well to subscribe to this channel because you're going to be getting a lot of advantages from this channel. Like this video and share this video to as many people as possible you want. So let's get straight into the video. Go to your TikTok app, click on the profile below. So after clicking on the profile, you will see something like a login into existing account. So you can click on the login into existing account, or better still, click on the three dash at the top right corner. Click on the three dash at the top right corner and click on sign up. Anywhere you see sign up, click on the sign up. If you have an account on it, better still log out your account and click on the sign up. Right. So if you don't have an account, you won't see any account here. So click on the sign up. So after clicking on the sign up, you will see continue with phone number, continue with email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. So we want to create a UK TikTok account, but please do not continue with any of this without doing this. So this determines if you are creating a UK TikTok account or Nigerian account. So below the continue with Google, you will see by continue with an account located in Nigeria. That Nigeria is the problem in it. All right, so you will click on the Nigeria there, as you can see the icon which is blue highlighted there. So you click on the Nigeria there. So after you click on the Nigeria, it will bring you to an interface where you have to select the country of your choice, the country you want to create an account for. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create an account for United Kingdom. So I'm going to select United Kingdom there. So you can see it has been changed to United Kingdom, and the next thing you're going to do is click on the continue with email. Please continue with email. Do not click on continue with Google. Enter your email address and click on continue. So after clicking on the continue, a code will be sent to that email you want to use to sign up for the TikTok account. So a code will send to your email, and go to your email and check if the code has been sent. So after the code was sent, click on confirm and enter the code. So this is a normal setup. You set your date of birth, but please, during this date of birth setup, we are creating a UK TikTok account, which is their policies are different from Nigerian TikTok account. All right, so if you are creating a UK TikTok account, if your age is not up to 18, just put a random age which is 18 or above. I recommend you to put an age above like 18, 19, 20 or 21. So just put any age range between 18 to 21 or 22. All right, so after setting your age and click on continue, then create your password as normal stuff. And then I forgot to tell you this: when you are creating your account, please, the email that you are going to use, make sure that you have never used this email for any TikTok account. You have never linked this email to any TikTok account. Okay, so do not use an email, or better still, create a new Gmail account. Create a new Gmail account and use it to open this TikTok account. All right, so after creating your password, you enter your nickname. Enter a name you want to use for this TikTok account. So I'm going to enter my name, enter the name I want to use for this TikTok account. So the purpose of this video, I want to create a faceless content TikTok account. All right, so I'm creating a faceless content on Gay Post. If you're seeing this video right now, please do well to follow me. Some of you will be surprised that why do I create this kind of faceless account when Gege is not a faceless content creator. Alright, so I'm going to explain that in another video. Okay, so do it to subscribe to this channel. So right now our account has been created. So now to know if this account is a UK account, click on the three dash at the top right corner there. Click on the three dash, click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, click on account. So after clicking on account, click on account information. Then you will see a pop-up below, which is your account region. You can see United Kingdom right there. So That's the first step on how to check if your account is truly a UK TikTok account or not. The second one is go back to your profile page. So now click on the three dash at the top right corner there. After clicking on the three dash, click on TikTok Studio. TikTok Studio there. So click on the TikTok Studio. After clicking on the TikTok Studio, you are going to see a creator reward program. You are going to see monetization. After seeing the monetization, you are going to click on creator rewards program. So let's check it. You can see the monetization there. So this is creator rewards program. This creator rewards program is not available for people in Nigeria and or in any African countries. So it's only available for people in United Kingdom, United States, and moreover. So you can see there subscription, creator rewards program, creator marketplace, and so many more like that. Alright, so this is how to create a successful UK TikTok account without needing a VPN. Okay. Alright, so as I said earlier in this video, I created this account which is the Gege fans, and I want to create a faceless content mimicking Gege without showing my face. Alright, so you guys will be wondering that how can I do this kind of video mimicking Gege with a content without showing my face? I'm going to use AI for this. Alright, so I'm going to drop the video at the end of this video. If you want to learn how to create a kind of video like that, a kind of mimicking video like that, just comment link in the comment section, then I'll send the video link to you. Right, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see when I drop a new update.
I want to sing, I want to sing, I want to sing. Crewe. This your body give me is so nice. This your body is so nice. Oya konji ukwombi. This your love is all I need. Oya konji ukwombi. Na na na.